Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about a brand new post type available in SignTraker version 11.1. For those of you that have been using SignTraker for a while, you're well versed with the post type and the post configurator, and it's used to outfit standard post types like regular swing posts, cross arm or colonial posts. Sometimes they're called two post commercial designs where you can have riders on top and bottom on the commercial two posts, and even the three post double billboard. Now, the sort of hang up on the three-post double billboard arrangement has always been that on the double billboard, you can have two billboards and you have two different billboards, but you couldn't have any riders on that. So what we've done is we've created a new post type, which is called a three-post frame. And essentially what this will allow you to do is to do a three-post installation with riders. So if your customer wants a double billboard with two different billboards on it, that's what they'll choose here. If they want a double billboard, sort of V arrangement with riders on top and bottom, this is what they'll choose. So let's go ahead and take a look at this and learn some more about it. So it's essentially built using what we'll call a two-post frame, a conventional two-post frame. But with a three-post frame, it allows you to then also specify how many riders you want to have on the bottom, maybe, or on the top. And you can specify the width of the panels and the rider top heights and etc., as you've always been able to do. The billing also works the same way. In other words, your base installation price will be augmented with a price differential representing the extra value this particular post is. And you can also, of course, still go through here and update the post schematic to make it look the way it's going to be in your actual implementation. The difference will be, though, you're looking at one here, one version of it, but it's going to be replicated just like you might have in a double post installation. So when you have a colonial post, conventional swing arm post, the customer can order a dual install. They get two posts of the same kind. What we're doing here is we're using that same underlying technology in SignTraker, and we're going to double the panels, double the riders, double all that stuff, and now put it into what's now called a commercial three-post double billboard with riders, or basically a three-post frame. So let's go ahead and take a look and see how this behaves from the customer point of view. So we're logged in here as our trusty agent, Sarah Agent, and we're just going to put some old address in here. And you see we've got, by default, our swing arm post. And as you can see, we can ordinarily do a single install or dual install, in which case, on a dual install, two panels, two riders, two sets of everything will be pulled. So when we go ahead and use the double billboard with riders, and by the way, subtle point here, you notice with the double billboard, again, that's going to be just two billboards, could be same, could be different. Having them separated here gives you an opportunity to charge more if they want to have riders, if that's of concern. But anyway, we're going to choose this one with riders. There's our signed template there. And again, this is going to be double. It's going to be dual install, essentially. It's not going to be, two separate places, but it's going to be twice as many panels, twice as many riders, etc. We're going to go ahead and add our main panel. Let's say that's our main panel. We can go ahead and add our top rider. Maybe it's, let's say a for sale option right here. And again, if we're even using our designer functionality, we want to put a bottom rider on this thing. Maybe it's, Sarah Agent. And their number is, maybe it's 555, 1212, what have you. And maybe this is going to be Coroplast, and maybe we don't need any grommets or anything. There we go. So when we add this all up here, you're going to see down at the bottom, we're going to have our conventional signpost installation. That's our basic install price. There's our upcharge, right? There's our rental for the two rental items we're putting at the top. Those for sales or rentals. And there's our purchase for two bottom prints. So you're seeing everything is doubled here. And we go ahead and we're going to, from this order, it's going to cause the system to create a installation order for a commercial three-post double billboard with the riders, and calling out all the riders that you need, two of everything. Pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, of course, feel welcome to give us a call here or email us at info@signtraker.com.